What are you going to do today, Napoleon?
And we're gonna do a trans mount on the 240 because it needs done. So we're gonna send it up. Send it up! It's already on its way up. But she's sturdy. Pretty excited to do this. This actually came with the car. Let's see, it's actually over here. It's GKTech trans mount. Should take probably like 15 minutes, but nope. It needs done. I got motor mounts in the car, but I'm not about to do those right now. So this is our trans mount that we're gonna replace right now. All we gotta do is really take off this cross member right here, take off this exhaust bracket right here, pop it all back together, put it on, zhuzhing, zhuzhing. It's gonna be great. So nice, dude. It's not corroded as hell. Cool. So yeah, this is definitely supposed to be attached to this, but it broke off, so oh well. I'll probably keep this bracket and then see if I can get this piece or something. Who knows? Make a leg workout on freaking Tuesday. Oh my god. So I don't really know how to install this yet. But
take the bracket off and
put it on something.
Cross member.
Something like that.
Oh, hold on, we're not holding the trans up right now.
No, we're not. Takes the block out, doesn't pump it back up, dude. Gotta get pumped up. Pumped up drift team, dude. I really should have brought power tools.
Dale!
Power tools.
Dale, no power tools!
We don't need those power tools. Oh! Hot. Literally, dude. My forehead's sweating from being close to the exhaust. I don't like it. I don't fucking like it. Alright. Oh! Cool. So that should be good to come out, right? What the fuck is holding you on? Those little guys? Okay. Big extension! Yeah! I feel like I'm in a coal mine right now. My face is so hot.
You think they're listening to Soldier Boy in the coal mines?
Yeah, they were, dude. Yeah! Getting cold, dude. And I'm gonna have to buy the licensing for this video. Yeah! That's what my wallet's gonna be saying. Alright, so we got this going on, exhaust bracket that's no longer. This is going on to cross member mount.
Show that orientation.
Yeah, so this is how it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
On the car.
Alright, so now it's time.
Put it back up there.
Pop that bad boy back up there, put the 4 on the outside, and then we'll do the last 2 on the trans and then the exhaust.
Definitely looks like it was a crack or something. That's wrong.
Trans or the no, you have it upside down.
Oh. Wow. Idiot.
Freaking idiot. Editor's note.
Eat the food. Freaking idiot. Dude, I've been sweating all day. Freaking, I was so dirty I had to like wipe my face off. So, pump up,
Trans jack sags a little.
Just a little bit.
Charity Motors.
Charity Motors.
Charity Motors.
We're just gonna flip it, then we'll be right back.
Little
Yeah, that should do it, right?
Yep.
Should get me close. Okay, cool. I'm gonna pump the trans jack up. Go up. Now, let her sag. Let me just get these kind of started. It's on.
On the top of the stock, when you have these, there's little metal pieces inside where they mount on the trans to stop these from spinning when you install them. Which
Look
makes
at
it tough.
the thread engagement. There's literally not enough. These bolts are not going to work.
Oh, yeah.
There's no way.
I thought, okay.
Unless, like, this literally gets sandwiched, but
I mean, you can't even get them started, really.
maybe.
We could always just go get our own hardware.
That's not going to work. But this will probably work. That'll give us some, we're just almost getting thread engagement with this one. So we're gonna get this one. This is a harder grade bolt, 12.9 versus 8.8. So it's a little more sturdy. Plus we'll get a little more thread engagement. That way we can get this trans mount to fully flush and sit. My password's 4856.
I'll put that in the video.
You wanna put the trans jack under here so this doesn't drop on my fucking head?
Yeah. The bolts were just...
Oh, dude, it goes all the way flush and down. It's literally flat.
How?
There's no gap. I don't know.
Okay, the bolts were barely too long to get them at this angle through, even if we sagged it.
Okay.
So we're just putting them up through the bottom. There he goes. Okay, we got the outer four on the cross member snugged up. About to tighten these last two up top. Oh, yeah, you're going the wrong way. Duh. It's all the high fructose I just ate. All the carbs.
Yup. Yup. Shine the light up in there. Okay. It's not going anywhere. Now we'll just...
S13 trans mount. Super weird, apparently.
Stupid.
It's definitely not like BMWs at all.
BMWs are easier, honestly.
One hour later.
Okay, it's all done. We're gonna go take it for a test drive. And we're gonna see how much vibration that really adds and just see what it's like. Because supposedly with poly, they add more vibration, but I mean, that's how it was in my BMW, but I only have a poly trans mount, so we'll see. Yeah, I can feel more vibration in my seat, but that might be the bitch meter. My internal bitch meter is like, yeah. Dude, too bad we can't air it up right now.
Right?
Hey, hey!